Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. On today's video I would like to share with you guys my recipe pork schnitzel or Wiener schnitzel. And as you can see in this video, it's really delicious and it's so yummy, and I would like to share with you guys so you have the idea on how I make this yummy recipe. So here it is, guys. First thing we do, I have here a meat, pork chop, and we cover it with plastic so it's not messy before you beat it. So you must beat it until it's become bigger, and so it's getting tender when we cook it later. So ganun lang siya, guys. So para lalaki siya, mag-e-expand siya kasi nga pag binibit mo siya, so mag-e-expand siya, palaki siya ng palaki. So next thing we do is we must put salt and pepper both side for the taste. And here is the next meat. I also do same, cover with plastic so if you beat it with the hammer, so it's not messy everywhere. So that's what my technique, so it's our kitchen is still clean and not messy. So here it is, guys, and then this recipe is really good and it's really easy to make. Weekend is easy and it's really delicious. So here it is, same salt and pepper, and then both side, salt and pepper both side. And then next step, we add flour. This is flour. Next, salt and pepper. And then we don't forget to also put garlic powder, because garlic powder is really good for this recipe to make your food or your meat smell good, diba? So yeah, and don't forget to mix it. I add a little bit more garlic because I really like garlic powder. So mix it properly, and then next, the meat must be covered with this flour. So I use 2 slices of meat because my husband and I eat this, and also my son also like this, but this 2 slices is enough for us, for 3 of us, because you know, as you can see, it's a little bit big, so I'm sure it's enough for us. So we cover it with the flour, mixed flour. So yeah, and it's already covered, and the next thing we do, we add 2 eggs and put salt and pepper again for the taste, and beat it. Mix well until it's really combined. So ayan, it's already mixed. So next step we do, we put the meat here. So I make 2 slices of meat, so I also put another one. So here it is, guys. So it must be coated with this egg. So later on, when we put this meat in the on the breadcrumbs, so it's hold. So here it is, guys. So the next step we do, we put the breadcrumbs, and then the meat that we mix with egg, we put it here. So ayan. It's same procedure. We must also covered or coat with this breadcrumbs. This is the last step we make. So here it is. We are almost done. We're almost done, so it must be covered by the breadcrumbs. So that our recipe or our food is really good and delicious. So this is the next one, the last meat we mix with the breadcrumbs. So ayan siya. So we're almost done in this recipe. So here it is, we're almost done. So the next step, this potato is our side dish of the schnitzel. So we peel the two big potato. So we must peel off the skin, and then after, when we already peel off the skin of these two potato, we cut it quarter. So here it is, our yummy recipe, schnitzel or pork schnitzel with potato with parsley. So enjoy your food, and if you like this recipe, guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and click the notification bell button so that you are updated to my next videos. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you.